Alright, hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today, almost got a little booby action. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a clothing haul for you guys. I have not done one of these in forever. This is long overdue. And if you're wondering why I'm in a robe, it's because I'm going to be trying on some of the goodies that I got in this package. This is from SHEIN. I ordered from SHEIN, which is the website, or they also have an app. In case you didn't know, I ordered from them on Saturday and I got my package today. So it literally was super quick. I was kind of nervous to order because of the sizing. I wasn't sure, and also I heard mixed reviews on how long it takes for you to receive your package, but I got mine in less than a week and I'm super excited. They are a Chinese based company. The package says Hong Kong, so I don't know, I was kind of nervous, but yeah, we're gonna just dive in. As you can see, I have not opened anything. I really get nervous when it comes down to ordering online besides Fashion Nova because I know my sizing on Fashion Nova, but I wanted to give somebody else a try, so let's just see. I cannot wait to open this up. Oh, and can we just get into my hair? I recently cut it myself into a shoulder length look. I have to still tweak it, probably cut like some layers. Yeah, for the summertime, I'm loving it. It's so airy and light. But anyways, let's get into the clothes. It's packaged pretty nicely, and then you have your invoice of everything that you ordered, and I ordered 11 pieces and I spent around $80, which is really good. They were having a sale, and I also got a free gift in here, so I don't know what it is, but let's just open it up and see what's inside. I'm so excited, you guys. I've been needing clothes for so long, like literally I'm way past needing clothes. So I picked up a few pieces just to see if I would like them. This is everything that's inside. I will pull out the first thing that I see. Oh, I was like, what is this? So this is some pajamas. I saw they had some cute pajama pieces, 2-piece sets. I think everything that I got was under 10 or for sure under $15, but it might have been like under $10. So the first thing that I got was this cute little pajama set. These are the shorts. Aren't these cute? They look. I can wear these for you to know. Yeah. These cute little shorts, and I got them in a size medium so that my ass cheeks aren't hanging out in the video.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah, so cute ruffly bottoms and this cute like ribbon tie here. And then on the shirt, this is a medium as well, and it just says Nap Queen. Ain't that cute? And it actually looks really big. The material on this is kind of, I don't know. It feels like good material throughout the shirt, but it looks like they literally just cut it. If you guys can see, let me turn it around. It looks like, you probably can't even tell, but it looks like somebody just literally cut the V, but I feel like it's going to be a crop top, which I think it's supposed to be, so I don't know. It's still cute. I got a few t-shirt dresses as well, so that's what this is, and I got it in the color, like the mustard color. I'm so scared that this stuff is not gonna fit. Everything just looks so freaking huge. This is what it looks like. It's just a long T-dress, which is good because I can wear it, and the arms are cuffed, so that's a plus. That makes it a little cuter. I love this color. I don't know if you guys know, but this color is like super popular right now, and I figure I can just wear this like even to work. So hopefully the sizing isn't too bad, but I have a feeling I should have got a small. But I always like to go a little bigger just because I feel like once I wash it and stuff, it may shrink. But yeah. The next thing I see is this shirt. Oh my God, I hope this fits. It has a Marilyn Monroe's face on it. This is an oversized tee, I believe, so I wanted it to be a little bit baggy, but it just has her face and her blowing a bubble. Super cute with like some high-waisted distressed jeans. Yes, that's gonna be super cute. So I do actually like that. So this is another t-shirt dress. This one feels Okay, this one, the material is super thick. That's so weird. Like, it's heavy. That's really weird. Okay, so this is like, oh, it has pockets. Okay, I like that. Okay, so this is what the dress looks like. It's another t-shirt dress, but it's a little different. It's not cuffed, and this is this is the front of it. It's really, really nice material, you guys. Like, it's super thick, and then you come down to the bottom, and it even has pockets, which is awesome. But oh yeah, so it's really, really heavy, you guys. I don't know. Oh, I got some. Did I get a necklace?
Yep,
oh, I guess I did get a necklace. Let's see. I forgot about this. It's supposed to be like a pendant necklace, I think. What the heck? I don't even know how I'm supposed to wear this. I got a necklace, but we'll figure it out. I also got, I guess this was my free gift. It says it's a ring kickstand for your phone. Okay. I also got some hoops because, oh, let me put these on. These aren't as big as my other hoops, I don't think. But I needed some new hoops, you guys. So I don't really discriminate on the size. Like, as long as they're not super small and grandma-ish, I'm cool with them. Oh, yes, I love me a good hoop. So the next thing that I got in here are some shoes. These are size 10, I believe, and I needed some new sandals. Oh yeah, these are cute. Okay, I hope they fit. I'm usually a size 9, but like I said, I like to go a little bigger. Let's see. I'm trying to open them because they have like this plastic. Like, the bottoms of them are made nicely. Like, these are super cute. Look how cute those are. I feel like they look a little cheap, but I only paid like $8 for them. So, you know, you get what you pay for. But those are super cute. And I needed some white shoes, some white sandals, and the cognac color that just goes with everything. So, let me see if I can fit these real quick. I'm not going to show y'all my toes because it's time for me to go back to get a pedicure. But, okay, yeah, so I can. So again, these are the sandals that I got, and they will go great with everything that I've got so far. The next thing that I got is this dress, and this is a heather gray. So this is really nice material as well, and it's super stretchy, and it's long, and I got this in a size medium. This is super cute. Like, I can see myself doing errands in this. Oh yeah, and it's gonna hug me just right. This is gonna be super, super cute. This one is like the perfect size medium, so I'm excited about that. Okay, we're almost done. One of the last things that I got was a bodysuit, and this is just a white bodysuit. I've been wanting one of these just because they look really good with jeans and stuff. It's just a V-neck bodysuit in white, and I had been looking on one of the is that a stain, or did I just do that? I don't even know because it looks like my lipstick. I had been looking at one of these on Fashion Nova, but they're like $18. I think I paid $8 for this one here on SHEIN side. So this is what this looks like. And then of course it's a bodysuit. I think this is the thong, no, the cheeky bodysuit. So yeah, and I got this in a size medium as well, so hopefully that fits. And then the last thing was a crossbody bag, and this is super cute. So it's a crossbody that I figure I need a smaller purse so that I can stop stuffing everything in a big bag. So this is what it looks like. It's black, brown, and white, and it has magnetic closing or whatever you want to call it. But this is what the bag looks like, and I think it'll be super cute. I like that, super cute. And this is pretty good material as well, super cute. So yeah, that's that. But yeah, you guys, that was everything that I got from SHEIN side. Let me know if you guys like these types of videos, because I need an excuse to go shopping again. Overall, I think everything looks pretty good. I'm about to try all of this stuff on and insert the clips for you guys. The material on most of the items that I got is pretty good. Some stuff is like, it just looks a little cheap to me, but overall the shipping was really quick and it was really affordable. So if you guys have not checked out SHEIN side, I will have the link in the description box so you guys can head over there, or you can download the app on your cellular device. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not already subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell before you go so you don't miss out on any more of my uploads. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.